Namaste everyone, my name is Priyanka and welcome to this 10-minute yoga session for beginners. We will start with warm-up, then we will do some easy asana and finish with a relaxing pose. So let's get started. We will start with warm-up. So first, sit comfortably, elongate your spine, both palms on the knees. Begin by gently rolling your neck in a circular motion. First, clockwise. Continue for 10 seconds. This will help loosen up your neck muscles and releases tension from your neck. Now, anti-clockwise. Continue for 10 seconds. Take it slow and gentle. It will improve flexibility in the neck and reduces tension and stiffness. Next, roll your shoulders in a circular motion. Both the hand in the front, make the fist. Your thumb should be inside your fist and lift them up toward your ears and then back and down. Continue for 10 seconds. Rotate slowly. Don't bend your elbow. Keep your elbow straight. Now anti-clockwise. Continue for 10 seconds. Take it slow. This will release tension in the shoulders and increases shoulder mobility. Now we will do cat and cow stretch. Come to your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Your shoulder should be above your wrist. Now inhale, arch your back and lift your head and tailbone up for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin for cat pose. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, round your spine and look at your navel. Again, inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, round your spine and look to your navel. Continue for 10 seconds more. This will improve your spinal flexibility and stretches the back and neck. Now, come to starting position. We will do downward facing dog, that is Adho Mukha Svanasana. From tabletop position, lift your hips up and back to form an inverted V shape. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Press your hand into the mat and let your heels reach toward the floor. If your heels are not reaching the floor, then it's okay. But remember to elongate your spine. Your spine should be elongated. Stay there for 10 seconds. This will stretch your hamstring, calf muscle and your shoulders. It will also strengthen your arms and your legs. Okay, now we will do Tadasana, the mountain pose. So stand on your mat, stand in Tadasana, both the feet together. Engage your thigh muscles, elongate your spine, shoulders back and down. Head in line with your spine, both the palm facing to your thighs and stretch your all fingers. Look straight, stay there for 10 seconds. This will improve your posture and increases body awareness. Now we will do Warrior 1, that is Veerbhadrasana 1. Turn towards right side. Stand erect. Spread your legs. Now take your right leg in the front and left foot behind, which is making an angle not more than 60 degrees. Make sure your navel should be in front. Keep your upper body facing the frontal edge of the mat. Exhale and bend your right knee. Lift your arms sideways up. Your palm must be facing each other. Stretch your arms more. Look straight. Hold the pose with the same determination as a warrior and wear a smile on your face. Stay there for 10 seconds. Breathe normally. It helps to stabilize and balance the body as it increases the stamina. To release the pose, breathe in and come up. Exhale and gently bring your hands down from the sides and take your right leg back. Repeat this pose on the left side. Take your left leg in the front and right foot behind, which is making an angle not more than 60 degrees. Make sure your navel should be in front. Exhale and bend your left knee. Lift your arms sideways up. Both palms must be facing each other. Stretch your arms more. Look straight. Hold the pose for 10 seconds. Wear a smile on your face. Keep breathing. This asana is known to strengthen and tone the lower back, your arms and your legs. This asana also helps to ease out frozen shoulder, and it also releases the stress from your shoulder. To release the pose, breathe in and come up. Exhale, gently bring your hands down from the side and take your left leg back. Now, sit on your mat with your legs extended straight in front of you. We are going to do Paschimottanasana, that is seated forward bend. Inhale, stretch your arms up over your head. Exhale, bend your torso forward from the waist and try to touch your toe or your shin bone. Maintain the pose for 20 seconds and keep breathing. This asana stretches your shoulders and your back muscles. It also calms your nervous system. Keep breathing. Now inhale. Lift your torso and raise your arm over your head and relax your arms and bring them down. Great. Finally, lie down on your mat. We are going to do Shavasana, relaxing pose. So lie down on your back, spread your legs, let your feet fall on either side, arms by your side but slightly away from your body, your palm facing up. Let your finger curl in. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath. Allow your body to relax completely. Let your breathing flow naturally. If your minds wander, you can bring your attention to your breathing. Stay there for another 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Now start moving your finger of your hand and your feet. Bring your legs together. Stretch your arms over your head to stretch your entire body from head to feet. Turn to the right side, keeping your eyes closed. Bring your knees close to your chest and use your lower arm as a pillow when you are resting. Stay there for another 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Push the floor gently and sit comfortably. Rub your palm gently and place your palm over your eyes. Gently blink inside and slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you for joining this 10-minute yoga session for beginners. Remember, listen to your body and practice these poses regularly to see the improvement. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Namaste.